Good morning, everyone. We are the group presenter number 8, which is the CO2SLO3, the 14 essential leadership values to consider developing. So, what are leadership values? Leadership values are the core beliefs and principles that guide leaders and managers in their personal and professional lives and allow them to oversee, lead, and manage others effectively. So, leadership values is fundamental beliefs and principles that shapes how leaders and managers act in both their personal and work lives. So, why are leadership values important? Because it helps you determine how you want to achieve your goals and what type of leaders you want to be with your team. So, leadership values is important kay para ma-determine mo kung unsa gyud nimo ka gusto nga ma-achieve nimo ang imong mga goals as a leader. Then, leadership values also help you grow and develop both personally and professionally. So, ma-discuss na siya niya sa next. So, there are 14 leadership values. First is influence, vision, honesty, passion, integrity, dedication, empathy, personal development, service, respect, resilience, adaptability, authenticity, and humility. So, first is influence. Influence refers to the ability to encourage, motivate, and guide others to think or act in a specific way to achieve certain goals. So, influence, empowering individual to make their own choices rather than forcing them. For example, is a project manager noticed that a team member are hesitant to share their ideas during meeting. Instead of forcing participation, encourage ni manager nga mag-open discussion by asking input and acknowledging contributions sa team. So, influence refers nga kanang i-motivate nimo ang imong members, i-guide and i-encourage nimo sila para ma-achieve ninyo ang inyong certain goals. So, vision. Vision refers to knowing what your goals and objectives are and having a clear plan for achieving goals. So, having a vision as a leader is very important kay if wala kay vision as a leader, murag walay klaro bito ang inyong mga plano. Next is honesty. Refers to the ability to discuss topics with others in a clear and truthful manner. So, dapat honest ka because honesty is the best policy. So, example ani is a team member faced with a project delay due to unforeseen circumstances. Instead of hiding the issue, the leader tipong niya member para i-discuss nga na nagka-problema sa ilang company mo din mangita din na sila way nga para sulbad na nga problema. So dapat yun istoryahan nimo sa imong mga members nga instead of hiding kay para makita ug masolusyonan ang inyong mga problema sa company. So, passion is the feeling of fulfillment and motivation that drives you to continue to work to achieve your goals even when you face challenges or unexpected setbacks. So, passion means kanang nakasattunga-tunga nga sa imong trabaho lugar unya kahit lang bitaw dahil naka-face ka og challenges nya. Despite sa challenges, dapat mag-continue yun ka para ma-achieve ang imong goals. Kay og dili ka mag-continue, dili ninyo mahuman ang inyong trabaho. Unya, dili sad ka mag-grow as an individual if kung naay challenges kay mag-stop na bitaw dayon ka. Integrity. Integrity refers to being genuine and honest and deciding to do the right things at all time. For example, is dapat dili ka malay sa imong trabaho kay kabaluman ka nga mali ang premium late. Then dapat genuine sad ka and honest. Dedication. Dedication is a commitment to a specific task, principle, or goal. Leaders' commitment to their task, principles, and goals. Dedication is a commitment to a specific task, principle, or goal. So, dedication is like kanang bitong gaput ka og effort sa imong mga like example is sa assignment. Dapat magput ka og effort, dili lang ka mangita sa AI na bitaw. Then, dapat sa mag hard work ka para madali ra bitaw mahuman ang inyong mga trabaho or inyong mga goals. So, empathy. Empathy refers to the ability to understand the feelings and emotion to respond to their action and behavior in a way that shows your understanding of their feelings. So, for example is na kay member bitaw nga notice ni mga murag iyang mga lihok lately is murag dili bitaw mo. So, itok din ani mo siya privately bitaw dayon mag-share na siya, paminaw ni mo. Then, kung kabalo na kasi ang problema, murag, kung din bitaw, mag-decide bitaw din ka nga may kung mo siya sample ipa-leave for 5 days, kay para makuan bitaw ang iyahang utok, ma-refresh, para dili po maapektuhan ang iyahang trabaho.
Personal development refers to act of continual learning, education, and personal growth. Personal development is like something nga dapat nimo nga improve sa imong self as a leader, something nga murag imong lesson learned from the past because of the bad feedback. For example, si John is a team leader and naka-receive siya feedback nga murag feedback that is communication style to direct and something comes across at brave kanang harsh na kaayo siya. So, nag-set dayon siya o goals nga i-improve niya iyang communication skill to better connect with the team. Service refers to the act of doing something to help someone else. This means that about putting other first of empowering to success. Example ani kay teacher. Create a self on encouraging the classroom environment, their students feel too comfortable talking, rest, and ask a question. Next guy, respect refers to feelings and administration. Respect refers to feeling and of admiration for their qualities, abilities, or achievement, and regard the respect refers to feelings of admiration for these qualities, abilities, or achievements. Respect, syempre, if you want to be dapat respeto pud ka sa isig ka-members nimo, also apil mong self. Resilience is an ability to face adversity and quickly recover from setback, challenges, and obstacles that you encounter. Resilience. We all know nga tanan-tanan naka-face og challenges in life. Then also, if you're a leader, dapat resilience ka because it can help to effectively address the challenges or issues. For example, naay isa ka company nga nag-face of economic downturn and losing major clients. Then as a resilience leader, dapat di ka mag-panic, extend nga dapat calm lang ka and assess a situation, analyze the root cause of downturn and identify potential solution para masulbad na ang problema. Adaptability means being prepared to accept and respond to change when it occurs. Adaptability is the key to thriving today's ever challenging world. Kay if you karon nga generation di ka mo adapt murag di ka naka-learn og new thing or skills. Leaders often have ability to become and adapt change and motivate members to do the same.
Authenticity refers to being genuine and honest in what we say and do. So, when leaders are authentic, they create a safe and trusting environment where team members feel comfortable being themselves and sharing their true thoughts and ideas.
Humility allows a leader to remain humble and remain ethical and moral sound. Like kanang di ka hambugira or hambugiro as a leader dapat humin ra ka kay you know that is right and wrong as a leader. Og di pud nimo i-compare imong mga examples. Og dili nimo i-compare nga mas maayo kay ka sa ilahak as a leader.
So, leadership traits. What is leadership traits? It is refers to personal qualities that define effective leaders. It also refers to the ability of an individual or an organization to guide individuals, teams, or organization towards the fulfillment of organizational objectives. So, when we say traits is kanabitang personal qualities. So, imuhang imong traits is kanang maka-help siya para ma-define ang imong effective leadership and mahimo sad siyang guide. Ang imong personal qualities is mahimo siyang guide bitaw para sa imong mga member para ma-achieve ninyo ang inyong goals and objectives. A common misconception is that individuals are just naturally gifted with leadership. So, ang mga uban tao gato bitaw nga ang imong skills nga as a leader kay kanang bitaw gifted na gid kay na like sa uban nga maayo bitaw kaayo as a leader. Then the truth is that leadership traits like other skills can be acquired with time and practice kanang like for example kay kung gasaligra bitaw ka sa uban dili ka gapanig kamot sa imong kaugalingon dili ka mag-grow as an individual, dili ka makatuon bitaw. So, there are 7 traits of an effective leader: the effective communication, accountability and responsibility, long-term thinking, self-motivation, confidence, people orientation, and emotional stability.
Okay, so good morning everyone. I'm Grisela Granitin from BPA1C. So my topic is effective communication. Leaders are excellent communicators, able to clearly and concisely explain problem and solution. So as a leader, ang maayong nga communication is very important gid kay na siya kay kanang through effective communication is kanang mas masabtan sa mga tao ang message nga imong kanang ipaabot sa ilaha. Din isa pud ni siya nga way nga para kanang maka-connect sa ilaha, and then kanang masabtan nila pod kung unsa ang mga concern, ilabi na if naay problem nga need to have a solution. So next is accountability and responsibility. So leaders hold themselves accountable and take responsibility for any mistakes. So diba, as a leader, it's very important that you need to take all of your responsibility nga to listen their concern and know their problems, and then it's also a leader dapat kanang buhaton nimo imong responsibilidad. Term thinking. Leaders are excellent communicators, able to clearly and concisely explain problem and solution. So same ra gyapon na siya sa number 1 nga as a leader dapat pud taas ka og panglantaw or padayon sa paghunahuna sa mga butang nga dapat makasabot ang uban or imong mga followers. Then tabangan pud nimo sila to solve their problem, o dapat kabalo ka nga mo-identify sa mga problem aron mapangitaan nimo og pamaagi kana nga mga problem. And also, ang long-term thinking is dapat taas ka og panglantaw ug taas kag pasensya sa imong followers, ug kanang taas ka og kanang pangandoy para sa to make your community better. And next is self-motivation. Leaders are self-motivated and are able to keep going and attain goals despite setbacks. So dapat jud, di ba, as a leader, di ba, daghan kay kag challenges or problem nga gaka-encounter. So as a leader kanang di ba moabot gyud sa time nga mawala na kaugana or wala na kay kanang self motivation ba, mawala na kaugana nga mo trabaho or maluyahan ka. So kay kanang kun kanang mawadan ka gana, so dapat naa kay salig og kumpiyansa gyud sa imong kaugalingon. That is kanang one of the best way as a leader nga dapat na kay kumpiyansa sa imong kaugalingon, na kay confidence to take all that kind of responsibility and to take kanang solve all that problem. Kay sa imuhang kaugalingon gyud na mismo mag-start ang confidence. And then kanang if na kay, di ba, if na kay kumpiyansa sa imong kagalingon, then kanang it is also one way nga maka-inspired ka sa uban nga mamotivate sad sila sa ilang kagalingon o mamotivate sad ka as a leader. Next is kanang confidence. Virtual all good leaders share the leadership trait and confidence. They are able to make their decision with lead with authority. So importante Japon ni siya nga as a leader is kanang ma-apply nimo ni siya as a leader nga naagid kay kanang confidence, no, kay kanang kay diri ka gakuha og kanang kakusog nga kanang makatabang sa laing tao nga wala kay ma-feel nga kulba or hadlok. So mo pud ni siya ang kanang way para makahimo ka og decision without kanang replying sa uban. And then confidence good siya is a best asset to yourself. And then next is people orientation. By being people oriented, leaders are able to energize and motivate others. So as a leader, it's very important, no, nga ikaw gid ang one kanabitawng ikaw ang kanang makita nila nga di ba, as a good leader kanang if maayo ka sa uban, maayo ka sa imong followers, kanang usa sad ni siya nga kanang ma-motivate sila ba, ug mao ni siya ang mga pamaagi para ma-inform ang uban nga ang sa uban nga kinahanglan sila i-orient aron naa sila daghan nga kanang daghan kahibalo or kanang ma-motivate sila. Kay di ba usahay before mag-start ang event or kanang naay mga organization nga ginabuhat, mag-orient na siya para na sila knowledge or background sa imong mga policy nga gina-implement. So mo na siya ang people orientation. Dapat i-orient nimo imong followers kung unsang kanang maayos nga maayo nga kanang maayo bitaw siya nga kanang i-implement nga makamaayo pud sa ilaha para makabalo sila. Then dapat open pud ka sa ilang mga decisions and kanang suggestions. Next is emotional stability. Leaders exercise good control regulation over their own behavior, are able to tolerate frustration and stress. So as a leader, ikaw dapat ang kanang source of good mood or happiness sa uban, og naa may times nga masuko ka or ma-stress ka. So dapat kanang pamitaan gid nimo og pamaagi nga ma-reduce nimo imong frustration. Then kanang dapat kontrolado pud nimo imong emotions, and then dapat pud nimo kanang ibutang nimo sa sakto nga lugar bang imong mga kasuko sa imong kung di ba na kay anang own problem, di ba, dapat dili mo na siya dalon sa imong trabaho as a leader. So anang always di ba kanang kung makabuhat manggaling ka sa imuhang kaugalingon, di ba, di pa gid malikayan sa leader nga makabuhat ka og sayop. So always accept na nimo siya nga sayop, and then pangitaan nimo og pamaagi. Then always value emotional stability, kay kanang makatabang po na siya nga kanang good vibes sa imong mga kauban. So mo na siya ang kanang emotional stability. Dapat kanang kontrolado nimo imong emotion, stress o frustration. So mora to siya ang akong
How to demonstrate effective leadership behaviors?
Be honest. honestly help to create a work environment that feels fair and open. Be confident in your decision making. Decision wisely and confidently is one of your primary duties as a leader. Example, acknowledge and each employee doing well while also suggesting specific area for improvement. Be approachable. Work to keep lines of communication open so that you team feel like they can talk to you. Example, as a leader, you can encourage this by practicing active listening, which involves being fully present during conversation, asking open-ended questions, and showing genuine interest in employees' perspective. Provide object feedback, let your team know what you expect of them and how they can improve. Example, when improving feedback, dapat in private lang para di nimo imbirad ang imong employee and to encourage open dialogue, build a positive, trusting relationship. Lead by example. Hold yourself to the same standard as an employee. If your team is required to stay late with them. Example. So dapat as a leader, dapat ikaw ang role model for example. Ug permi ka late sa trabaho, mura mag huna-huna pud dayon ang imong member nga ay okay ra di ay ma-late kay late gani si sir. If on time ka mag huna-huna pod dayon na silag dili pwede ma-late kay di gani kalit si sir. Create a reward program for staff member. Publicly recognize the achievement and milestone of each team member. Example, create a reward program for staff members, an effective way to boost morale and motivation within your team. Change how you approach your work. One way to start to the process of become a leader and being recognized and someone with strong leadership behavior to change the way. Example, changing your approach to work is essential for developing effective leadership skills. To start this, begin with shaping your mindset and redefining your job duties to include effective.
Address potential issues before they become problems. So by closely monitoring your team, you may be able to notice areas that have the potential to develop into a problem. So ang advantage ani if imong i-address diretso ang problem is dili na siya matagpo. For example ani kay kanang problem karon sa atong barangay nga kanang ilang ginakuan sa House of Representatives. So kung sana so kung gisolbad pa to nila diretso wala na to nagabot sa kuan this House of Representatives. Pay attention to the needs of individual employees and try to meet them. In addition to monitoring your team members for potential issues, you can also note what their individual needs are. By actively working to meet these individuals' needs, you not only enhance motivation and job satisfaction but also build respect and trust within your team. Encourage creativity by keeping lines of communication open. Allow and encourage people to approach you with their ideas. When your team knows what they can talk to you about, potential changes and ways to improve the work environment, you are more likely to discover their creative solution. So when you're a leader, dapat kanang mag-encourage ka for open communication kay basin day mas tsada ang ilang ideas kaysa sa imo ha. Then ang mga ideas sa mga members dapat imong i-gather para create ka o para mas dali ra ang inyong decision making bitaw.
address potential issues before they become problems. By closely monitoring your team, you may be able to nice areas that have the potential to develop into a problem. So, dapat ay address jud ang issues before siya mudako. Example, item leader. Notice that the quality of work ident- declining and some team member struggle with specific tasks. Instead of waiting for performance review, the leader organize skills to identify tops. Then they average the target training session to help team members improve their skills. So by